Hey guys, my name is Riley and I am the Chief Marketing Officer of HammerSport Marketing. I'm also the Chief Marketing Officer of IronBuffet.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can secure your domain on Amazon Web Services absolutely for free using the Let's Encrypt open repository. So with that said, let's head on into it. And just for a just some context, I'm using a Plesk cPanel, but it's pretty much the same in any cPanel that you're using. So let's head on into it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm sharing my screen. And right now we are in our Plesk interface. We accessed it through our IP port 8443. And we're just gonna head on over to my domain right here. Not that one. Domains. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. It's incredibly easy. So as you can see, we have Let's Encrypt right here. And all we're going to do is include a www, and we actually, probably should do that too. So install. It's not going to give us the webmail one, but that's pretty much all we got to do. So you click Let's Encrypt, you put your email address in there, and you click www, and then you're going to have an SSL certificate at the end of this. So it says it's installed. Let's go see if it works. And it works. We got this little lock in the screen. And basically what an SSL certificate means is that you went through the process of securing your domain. As you can see, we have some errors right here, right? So it said failed to resolve webmail and failed to resolve www. And that is because we do not have those subdomains set up. So what we're going to do now is go through and set up our subdomains. So we're going to delete this period. Oop. Don't need that. Delete this period out, and we're actually just going to do webmail. Another CNAME, seconds, CNAME, and this will be webmail, and that's pretty much it. Oh, I did it the wrong way. And it's going to be app. So we just set up our two subdomains, and we can actually go in later on and secure those, but those will be just fine. I'm just going to do RileySieber.com. I think I might have needed to put an A record on that one. Let's see. Sorry guys. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Yeah, so I gotta do a record for this. A record. And this will be webmail. And the IP address is this one. So what this is gonna be doing is it's gonna essentially tell people when we send them email from this server that it's not spam. We're going to go back to DNS, throw that in there, seconds, it's because I already have another A record in here, so I'm just going to go and delete this, nope, wrong one, delete this one, and A, so this is going to be webmail. And put the IP in here. Oh, let's change that to seconds. Okay, so now we should be good. And I'm just going to point this CNAME back to Riley Seberg instead of A, because this looks weird. So the way I have it set up is whenever you type in www, it automatically forwards to the actual domain. Personally, I hate www. And so that's pretty much it. We have our Let's Encrypt certificate. And, it's going to take a little bit for the www and the webmail, so we can go back later and do that. But as you see, we're secure. We're not having any more of those, this problem, right? And so, honestly, this is probably the biggest thing that you need to worry about in terms of getting your site up and running, is making sure that you have your SSL certificate. In my opinion, it's meaningless, right? It absolutely means nothing. But the thing is Google says it means something, and pretty much any other Internet Explorer also says it means something, but any other internet browser is really looking for that SSL certificate. And the thing about them is they expire, right? So you got to set them up so that they're auto recurring, and a lot of times people will try and sell you SSL certificates for like $1,000 a year, and you don't need that, right? You don't need to you don't need to buy an SSL certificate. Anybody can use Let's Encrypt. They have their own repository, and I'm actually just going to show you real quick what Let's Encrypt looks like on their website. Let's Encrypt.org. And as you can see, they'll pretty much give anybody it's an open source security organization, so they'll, as long as you say who you are and put your information in, they'll let you get a certificate, and you can also set them up for auto renewing as well. And Let's Encrypt is a very respected repository, so nobody's gonna say that your website's spam if you're using Let's Encrypt. And it's probably like the most simplest way to get your website secure. I know a lot of people are selling they have like green bars and extra security certificates. You really don't need that. So if you're just trying to get your stuff up and running, you're just you want to get it up because you just got to get it up and you don't want to worry about it. Just use Let's Encrypt. It's super easy. And if you need help with that, just let me know. Send me an email, Riley@HammerSportMarketing.com, or you can just visit my website, RileySuberg.com. And if you are a business that's doing over, $10,000 a month in advertising, we want to talk to you. We want to help you out. We want to help you scale. And we really, as Facebook partners, like our agency is incredibly good at helping businesses that are already spending money on Facebook really get the most out of their spend and optimize their ads so that they work with the algorithm and not against it. If that sounds like something that you would be interested in, head on over to HammerSportMarketing.com and just get in touch with us. With that said, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be back with another one in this series showing you how you can connect your Ghost content management system to your Gatsby front end or any other type of front end that you would like to use. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'm Riley from HammerSport Marketing, and this has been the video.